AI has been changing our workflow over the past few years, and let's face it can save us creators an incredible amount of time, help us to be more creative, and have more fun. Post-editing, repurposing, fixing errors all takes time. In fact, a lot of time. I have put together my top AI video editing apps you need right now, so let's dive in. Let's start with app number 1, and it is Riverside. Video editing itself doesn't have to be a complex art anymore. Riverside has made it incredibly easy for anybody to start editing from day one. Let's take a look. So you can start for free. I'm going to log into my account, and you'll see I've got a bunch of recordings and podcast episodes. Actually, let's go into this podcast episode and take a look at how easy it is to edit with AI assistance. All right, here's a podcast episode that I've clicked into. Let's play the video back.
Like, is that not what we are all doing through living in general?
We are all on the spiritual pathway.
Now, notice there's a few problems there with the audio. First of all, the speakers are quite quiet, and the male speaker, the audio is not so great. Well, the best news is we can use AI tools over here inside Riverside to enhance that. I'm going to remove all those pauses and all those fillers. So the bit where he stumbled in, it will cut that all out using AI. So I've removed the pauses and removed the filler words just by clicking apply on these two tools, and it's done. AI has done that for me. Let's actually go ahead and have a listen back.
Through living in general?
We are all on the spiritual pathway.
Now that is incredible. With click of 2 buttons, I've removed silences and stumbles, and it sounds very coherent and very, very natural indeed. But it doesn't quite sound complete, and that's because the audio needs spicing up. So I'll go back to AI tools, I'll click Magic Audio, apply, and it's as simple as clicking apply. Both speakers now have it applied, and let's just have a listen back to the audio again.
Through living in general?
We are all on the spiritual pathway.
That is just insane. And as if that wasn't enough, we can then export the episode we've edited using export up at the top as video or audio. It's really cool. But that's not all. If I go back to the main menu of this episode, it's going to load up a Made For You section where not only does AI edit the whole show for you, but it also generates magic clips down here, AI generated clips of your recording, and they're scored on the likeliness to go viral. Let's click into one and see how it sounds.
I think it's about opening up both your mind and your heart.
That's excellent. Now, if I'm happy with that, I can share it instantly to my favorite social network, or I can simply go back and edit that magic clip. Now, inside the editor, I can click captions, and I can place on captions of any style I like, place them wherever I want on the magic clip, and then it's easy to export or share from the top right menu. Let's get on to app number 2, that's Klingai, and notice if you've never signed up before, they give you a trial package with some free credits to have some fun. So let's do that. Okay, we're signed in and we've got the ability to try now. So I'm going to click try now. That will credit my account and I can go ahead and generate my first video. I'll say something like a man landing on the moon as my first thing. And we'll click generate and let Kling spin into action and see what comes back. As you'll see here, it's in the queue and it's going to take around 2 minutes. Wow.
We have successfully landed on the moon.
That is insane. Not only has it generated native audio, but it looks absolutely incredible. I'm going to actually choose a start frame, go to my desktop, and here's an image of me. Let's add that to Kling. And this time we'll change the prompt to a man thirsty walking through and see how that turns out by clicking generate. While we wait for that one to generate, let's keep the same image and I'll say 4 camera angles of a person working at a modern office desk. Let's generate that as well and see what comes back. By the way, if you're wondering how much Kling actually costs, you can get it for as low as just $6.99 a month and pay more as you need more credits to do more really creative videos. Okay, let's take a look at what's come back. So this is me, looking rather sweaty and going into the desert. Here's another one of me working at an office desk. Very nice indeed. And yes, I'm getting sweaty again, very sweaty. Oh my goodness me, I look super sweaty in that one. It's always panning out to a desert. Here's another camera angle of me working with a coworker, apparently generated by Kling. And here again, busy work, busy work, rather serious look, all from that one little photo of me. It's incredible what Klingai can generate. Oh, and there's one more. Oh, I do not look in a good state in this particular video. Before I show you the next tool, a quick favor to ask. I'm hoping to get 500,000 subscribers this year, and I cannot do it without you. If you haven't done so already, the subscribe button, if you could hit that, that would be so much appreciated. And I promise to bring you more fun, creator content just like this on a weekly basis. Let's move on to app number 3. That's Suno AI. You can have so much fun with this, creating music, songs, sound effects, instrumentals, and so much more. But first of all, you get AI to write you a song about something. In fact, I've gone ahead and done it. I made a song about Riverside. And the key to success is describing exactly the kind of sound or artist you want. So you'll see here, you get the possibility to give a song description. Now, I asked AI to tell me how Benson Boone sounds, and it gave me a bunch of keywords here. Pop rock with soulful indie elements, so on and so on. This is great. But I can go further by clicking +2 lyrics, and then I can actually copy and paste the lyrics that AI generated for me here into the lyrics along with verses and choruses and everything else. So now I'm simply ready to go. I can click on the create button here and Suno will do its magic. Teaser, you're going to hear the full song at the end of this video. Okay, here it is. Let's give it a play.
Late night, screen glowing blue. Got a story I've been holding through.
Let's have a listen to this verse.
Late night, screen glowing blue.
Very nice, and we get a second preview.
Late night, screen glowing blue.
So we can actually go for the best cut. Finally, app number 4, we're circling back to Riverside because if you know that you have an audience all around the world, you can actually easily auto-translate and dub your content in just a few clicks. When you've recorded something in the Riverside studio, you'll get this beautiful recording here, and it's ready to do anything you like with. But most importantly, up here, you get Ask AI, and you have the ability to translate, dub, and lip sync your video. This is awesome because I can choose a language, and as you can see, there are many of them. So let's go ahead and pick German and click Translate Video and include lip sync as an important part to add here. This will actually synchronize your lip to the new language and you'll get your video translated.
Es ist wirklich unglaublich einfach, die gesamte Sprache deines Videos mit Hilfe der fortschrittlichen künstlichen Intelligenz von Riverside ganz schnell und präzise zu ändern.
Arabic.
هكذا ببساطة يمكنك تغيير لغة الفيديو الخاص بك باستخدام الذكاء الاصطناعي من Riverside.
So with all this said, AI is a fun tool to help us be the best creators we can possibly be. Are you using AI in your workflow? Let me know in the comments down below which app is on your radar right now.
Late night, screen glowing blue. Got a story I've been holding through. One voice, yeah, it's just me. But I hear what this could be. No crew in the room tonight. No lights hanging from the ceiling. Just a moment, press record and I start believing. Every word comes out so clear, like someone's right here with me. Riverside, turn it on. And I'm never recording alone. Every take feels right this time, like a studio built in my phone. I record, I edit, I make it shine. Turn one voice into something wide. Feels like a whole damn team when I'm creating with Riverside. Cut it out, make it move, every angle telling truth. From a podcast to a song, one click and it's rolling on. Share it all, let it breathe. Every platform, every screen. What I make, what they hear, sounds exactly how I dream. No redo, no stress. It's the best take yet.